Hello everybody, hello. It's me again, una sister, una friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. I want to congratulate one lady wey don look for pikin for years. You know, now understand now, for years. This woman come born at the age of 67 years. 67, my people. Who say God no dey? Who say God no dey exist? Who say miracle no dey happen? Make you use this woman out to know say miracle it dey really happen. So I did surprised when I see him. I say, God, who say God no dey? Who say miracle no dey? When I see this woman, I say, God, you are really a miracle working God. This woman say when he go daydream, and they always dey see angels go dey share children dey go. If you reach it on, it go divert. You go tell her say, but he need now. Why you not give her? The angel go tell her say never reach it on. This woman keep praying, say God go answer them one day. In with your husband, your husband I see another patient man will be God sent to the woman life. It not change. You see, make sure say he stay with that woman, even with be say pikin no dey. Now some men, if they go marry another wife, tete. You know, sometimes patience is very good in marriage. You understand? Love matters a lot, you know, even when they don't old. And normally somebody don't dey like 50 years, they don't even enter menopause. But this woman is still there. God, 67 years, like. when I see him, I say, God, this one are really miracle. I say, no, I must do video for this woman. I really congratulate her. I really happy. So you when they look for pikin, if you say hope don't lost, all hope never lost, my dear. All hope never lost. Use this woman till they get like may you they use this woman till they encourage yourself. No give up. Keep praying, and God must surely answer you one day. God must surely answer you. So keep praying and use this woman own till they pray every day. Say, God will do this woman, may come do my own for me. God, if you visit that family, may come visit you. You understand? So I really happy for the woman because it's not easy, you know. So I'm really happy for her, and God will continue to bless her and bless that pikin. And if you want to make God bless you with the fruit of the womb, so look this woman out, encourage yourself and pray, and God must surely visit you one day. So now just this short message I say make I give, and I go see put the video and I will see him. So people can still leave your comments there, and use this woman own to encourage yourself too. You understand? So and this short message I say make I just pass. And you people should not forget my hookup is there. If you need the responsible man, you need the responsible woman, you can still contact Lady J. No, don't be shy, you know. So now those days, that person go the shame for all those things. Yeah, I can't go meet somebody make you hook me up. You know me, my dear. You can meet your husband anywhere. You can meet your wife anywhere. So you can still contact me. I'm still here for you people. So I'm still here. Contact me. If you need advice, you need somebody to advise you, I need somebody to talk to, you can still call Lady J. I'm here for you people. I can still get one or two advice when I still give you. If you need somebody to talk to, you need advice, and maybe the fruit of the womb, and you say maybe you want taking, you know, the enter too, you can still contact me, you know. So I will still tell you how you still take the do waiting you still take, you know, maybe say pikin go still come. You understand me? So on this message I say make I pass, my people. Thank you everybody. Keep sharing my video and keep subscribing for my YouTube. Thank you and God bless you people. Bye for now. Bye.
67-year-old Ajibola Olutayo Otubushe and her 72-year-old husband Samuel Oluwatowoloju Otubushe could be likened to the biblical mother and father of faith, Sarah and Abraham. They had gone into marriage 40 years ago with the hope of being blessed like every new couple with the fruit of the womb. The dream Having failed to come to reality, the faith of the couple remained unwavering, united in love while trusting God for his power and ability to fulfill promises.
God spoke to my husband, talked to me too variously at various times so that he will give us a son. So we had to wait. And that's why we are here today.
It was worth waiting for.
God promised 35 years ago, gave me these boys' names. Gave me that he will be born in October. 10 years, October, 30 Octobers, 39 October. Well, but he kept on talking to me and my wife. So then at another time, God spoke to my wife. No, to me in the dream. Woman of righteousness, your prayer has been answered. Then later, my wife had a dream. She was in a lab with tall angels in white. Then they were giving babies out to people. He said, Temiko. That angel told her, wait a while. That was 5 years ago.
The newborn is a product of faith in God and medical innovations by purely indigenous experts that have become proud ambassadors of Ogun State, who are also indigenous.
8 weeks, that was about 2 months of pregnancy. Well, she was okay then, everything was well, but we prayed together because that was the first thing we did, which I can remember vividly. Then since that time, the pregnancy has been growing. We have been managing all sorts of little things that propped up along the line.
Well, we would say nobody should lose hope. As Mrs. Otubusin has said, age is no barrier. Although some people might say, what would a 67-year-old woman want with a child? But we never say the same thing with 80-year-old men. So we believe it's the fundamental right of every woman to achieve a pregnancy if she so wishes.
Governor Amosun and some members of his cabinet came to share in the joy of the old couple.
Not many people are this favored. God answers prayers, but prayers like this are rare that are answered like this. So, and that's why we are thrilled, that's why we are happy, that's why I'm here personally to appreciate and thank the professionalism of the medical team. And they've proven that they are clearly from the what I call the stock of this Ogun standard.
Their message to those who may have lost hope of coming out of their situations is to believe and take bold steps to come out triumphant. In Abeokuta, Lekan Agbonde, NTA News.